Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. This is Makai. This is my son. He is 5 months old and he will be my co-host today. A lot of people always ask me, how is Kai? How is Kai doing? Kai is big as hell and he is good. He's a good baby to mommy. He don't make much bother him. So in today's video we're going to be talking about Fly Jamaica. And Fly Jamaica recently have been going through a lot of things. Last year it was the delayed flights. A lot of people had their flights delayed, and a lot of people had to stay at the airport 3-4 days trying to catch their flights. Just a lot of craziness. And recently multiple Fly Jamaica aircraft have crashed or had to do a crash landing, or something terrible has happened. And a lot of people have been saying that it's because they're using a few aircrafts to do a lot of work. So one aircraft can be going from Jamaica to Canada, from Canada to New York, from New York to Jamaica again, and this one aircraft have been going through a lot of issues and a lot of back and forth, and people feel like their maintenance is not good and they're not maintaining the aircrafts properly. And this is the second flight this year that have crashed from Fly Jamaica or had to do a crash landing, and somebody actually died in this one, which is why I am bringing you guys this story. And it says an 86-year-old woman is reported to have died as a result of the Fly Jamaica flight that was forced to make an emergency landing at the Chedley Jogan International Airport in Guyana just over a week ago, according to media reports out of that country. The woman have been identified as Rokia Kalu, died on Friday at the Georgetown Hospital after she was transferred from the privately owned Woodlands Hospital, where doctors are reported to have said that there was not much more they could do for her. So I guess Fly Jamaica is trying to save their butts, and they moved her from a public hospital to a private hospital because they were saying that they couldn't do anything else for her at that public hospital, and they are liable to get sued actually. And I'm sorry if I mispronounced her name. The Guyana media quoted relatives as saying that the passenger, who was in the company of 2 other relatives headed to Canada, was taken to a private hospital 2 days after the plane was forced to crash land at the CJIA airport. According to family members at the Woodlands Hospital, doctors said there was swelling on her brain after she suffered a skull fracture, and there was not much they could do to cease the swelling. Wow. Fly Jamaica, in a statement soon after the incident, said, "We believe that all 118 passengers and 8 crew members are safe." That's what they told the media because they wanted to save face. Condolence goes out to the people that lost their family member, because that's crazy. At the time, Guyana Public Infrastructure Minister David Patterson indicated that 6 people were injured during the incident and were being treated at the Diamond Regional Hospital. The Boeing 757 aircraft was forced to return to the CJIA minutes after its departure for Canada on November 9th because of technical difficulties, and overran the airstrip on the subsequent emergency landing. Where the aircraft veered off is about the exact same place a previous plane did. So fortunately for us, on this occasion, the extension of the runway was there, so that they were able to utilize the extension, Patterson said, adding that investigation into the incident has already started. So condolence goes out to the person that lost their family. I hope you guys either take them to court or you get a lump sum, because they put your family's life in danger. A lot of these flights, they're not properly maintained. They're not properly run, or they're ran into the ground basically. They do all these back and forth and they're not being properly checked on. And that's something that you need to be very, very careful of when choosing a flight, and what type of aircraft you're choosing, or who is operating that aircraft, because this is not only the first time, this is the second time for Fly Jamaica. So comment in the comment section and tell me if you ever flied with Fly Jamaica, and if you had any misfortunes with them, or your flight was amazing, wonderful. Comment all your thoughts in the comment section, and condolence goes out to the persons that lost their life and their family members. I'm up out of here, man. Deuces. Say deuces, Kai Kai. Deuces.